How to remove profile picture on Facebook Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll find out if we can remove profile picture on Facebook Messenger or not. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook Messenger application and make sure you are logged into your account. And as you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now just click on this menu button at the bottom right corner. So once you're inside here, just tap on settings, and from over here now try to click on this camera icon right on your profile picture. And as you can see, there is no any option to directly remove your profile picture from Messenger application. So instead what you can do is you can replace the photo or change the photo, but instead if you want to delete the photo completely, then in that case what you have to do is just make sure you are logged into that same particular account on your Facebook. Just head over to your Facebook application and just click on your profile section just like this. And once you're inside here, just tap on this profile section just like this and click on see profile picture. And now all you have to do is just click on this three dot icon over here and at the top right, and just click on delete photo from over here. So once you click on delete and refresh the page once again, and just like that your profile picture should be deleted. Now let us check it on our Messenger application. Let me just refresh the application. And as you can see, it has successfully been removed from my Messenger application as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.